Good evening, viewers. It's my pleasure, Iwan, to be back to greet you on tonight's Around Soccer program. On this occasion, we will discuss a topic that is being discussed in the world of homeland football, namely the naturalization of players to strengthen the Indonesian national team. This naturalization policy has raised various fees. On the one hand, this step is seen as an effort to improve the quality of the national team by presenting experienced players such as Jay Isis and Sandy Walsh, who are expected to be able to bring the national team to achieve higher achievements at the international level. However, criticism has also emerged from various parties. Many consider that naturalization can reduce the opportunity for young local players to develop and shine in the national team. They argue that priority must still be given to the development of domestic players to ensure the future of Indonesian football. Naturalization does offer a short-term solution, but the challenge ahead is how to combine this strategy with the sustainable development of local talents. That's my report. You want stay tuned with us for more updates. Back to the studio.